Hey, what's going on guys? Sri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about how you could increase your AOV, which is also known as average order value, and make a bunch of extra money that you couldn't have made before. So before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and join our growing family. We're over 200 subscribers, and be sure to hit that like button so that lets me know that you guys do enjoy these videos. So let's jump right into it. So over here I have one app open up on my Shopify store. This is a live recording of my store, and as you can see, the message over here is congratulations, one click upsell has made you an extra $8,743. I don't know about you, but that for me that's a lot of money, and this one simple app has made me an additional $8,000. So if you guys don't know what one click upsell is, it's an app by Shopify, and it's basically an upsell app, upsell and downsell app. And upsells are offers that customers get once they click add to cart on one of your items or they reach checkout. There are many apps out there for upsells and downsells, and I have tried almost all of them, and no app has given me as good results as this app had. And this is why I'm making this video for you all. Basically, if you don't have this app, you need to install it if you want to make a bunch of extra money. Now, when I began using this app, I was a little skeptical as well, because this does have a large price tag to it, for me at least, which was $47 per month. And I was again skeptical of using this app and paying $47 per month. But I am very glad that I made the decision to get this app, and as you can see, I have benefited a lot from it. Now, once you download this app, this page will come up. And basically this is basically a statistics page for how much revenue you have generated and how much this app has made you. So as you can see from this chart over here, I have had 8.2% upsells. So basically every 3 orders or so I get an upsell, and that is a very good rate to have, because the more upsells you have, the higher the revenue and the higher the profit for you. On the right, we have the chart that outlines the upsell revenue, downsell revenue, and non-upsell revenue. Now, I created a store late in October and I got this app in January. But as you can see, I have received $7,000 in revenue from upsells and $1,500 from downsells. So again, this app was definitely worth it. Now, if we scroll a little further down, you'll see that there's also another line chart over here that outlines how many orders there are without upsells and how many orders there are with upsells. So what I like to do is basically switch around on the items that I'm upselling or downselling every week or so and see which items give me more revenue and are added most to cart. Now, this is the perfect way to find out which items your audience likes the most and are more inclined to purchase. So this allows you to upsell those items or downsell them for even a further revenue boost. So over here, we're in my analytics page for my store, and I have this average order value for the year pulled up. So from January 1st to today, which is April the 3rd. And as I mentioned, I got this app in the beginning of January or so. So as you can see, my average order value wasn't that good. It was a little below $20 during this time before I got this app. But once I got this app and I started tweaking it and playing around with it, my average order value significantly increased, as you can see, over time, to the point where it got to around $30. So as you can see, there was a $3 boost in average order value, which means I was getting an additional $3 per order. It may not seem much, but when you're getting hundreds of orders, even 200, 300 orders, and you're getting $3 per orders, that's about a $300 or more boost in revenue. And that is a lot, because that adds to your profits as well. And this is why I definitely recommend this app for you, because even though it's $47 per month, this app has the potential to generate you much more revenue in the long run. So this was just a quick video on how you could improve your average order value and get even more orders over time. And the link for this app will be down in the description below. And I would definitely recommend that you guys try this out. So if you did enjoy this video and found value in it, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.